Go. You got a dirty face. This is a brown neck cape. Very sweet bird. Hatched February 23rd, 2013. Hand fed since he hatched. This one is a female. DNA sex.
They call them the apartment birds because they're not extremely loud. They're from Africa. It's an African parrot. Really a unique bird. Good talkers. Good mimickers. What? Extremely affectionate. It's kind of like a gray without the attitude. What? And that ought to upset all them gray people, huh? Huh? What? What's the matter? This baby is fed out. She's doing weaning pellets right now. She's got a dirty face because she's a sloppy eater. Aren't you? Aren't you? What? I know. Okay.
Alright, so this is a brown neck cape, hatched February 23rd, 2013, and it is a female. For more pictures and videos of our birds, go to www.corbettbirds.com.